Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's Hot Wheels video we will be looking at this Cruise Bruiser from the Hot Wheels wagons. Number 3 out of 5. And let's get into it. So pretty interesting lineup for this Hot Wheels, but let's take a look at it. Really interesting design and the overall shape. Technically we can for certainly say that this is a track racer based on a wagon. Cruise Bruiser number 22. I'm not really sure what this is. The humongous engine that comes from the bonnet. No windows this time around, a roll cage, and this interesting detail, an anchor is in the back, and the back has this detail, really interesting. The front has a huge bumper and some headlights. The paintwork is really interesting, this golden flaking metallic. Really cool. Again, no windows, so we do not have any plastic windows on this thing. Maybe for channeling aero, who knows. And the back, underneath we have this maybe interesting detail, not really sure. Yep. Really cool idea, really cool design. Only one seat, but yeah, interesting. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and see you in the next one.